Hello everybody and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to see how to create any shape that we want using the pen tool in Photoshop. So let's get started. Let's open Photoshop. And as you can see, this is the photo that we are working in. Click here on the pen tool or just click on P. But the pen tool is set to be on the path settings. So as you can see, it doesn't create any shapes. So let's Control Z, 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 and let's make it the shape. And let's set the shape settings. For example, let's have it no fill and have black stroke with like 15 pixels stroke. Here is my shape. As you can see, here's the shape with the stroke. And if I want fill, let's choose fill and choose this color. For example, as you can see, here is the fill. Now you can create custom shapes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down below for us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And have a good day.